Alas ng Pinas at Kazakhstan sa semis nakipaglaban, ginawa nila lahat upang manalo, pero kahit nahirapan ang Kazakhstan ay hanggang sa huli ay nanaig pa rin ang Kazakhstan team.
With 2 points already.
The perfect decoy to that play. Look at the powerful swing of Panike from the left side. She will have a strong swing in zone 1.
Sana si Reshkina, this time dug by Ea Laure. Panike again, and that's 3 in a row for Ana Panike.
What a substitution.
It seems that Coach Jorge has found the answer. Oh, now it's a double block. Again, Ana Panike.
That is point number 4 for Ana Panike, and all started with a strong serving of Gia de Guzman.